little, bro. Let's talk about how to boost your looks and create your own aesthetic blueprint. Here are 4 tips to get you started. 1. Build a strong foundation. First things first, you're carrying extra weight, focus on shedding some pounds. Looking at a healthy body fat percentage makes a huge difference. You don't need to be shredded, just lean enough to let your features shine. Remember, some guys look better with a bit of muscle, while others might suit a leaner look. Find what works best for you. 2. Balance your features. Balancing your features can make a big difference. For example, if your hairline is thinning, opt for a hairstyle with a fringe to cover it up instead of brushing it back. If you have a prominent nose, avoid styles that make your face look shorter. It's all about finding a balance that complements your natural features. 3. Improve your lifestyle. Your lifestyle impacts your appearance more than you might think. Spending too much time indoors can lead to pale skin, dark circles, and poor posture. Make an effort to get outside, stay active, and maintain a regular sleep schedule. A healthy lifestyle will reflect positively on your face and body. 4. Make a vision board. Visualize your goals by creating a vision board. Gather images of hairstyles, outfits, and lifestyle habits that inspire you. This can help you stay focused and motivated. It's a great way to see what you're aiming for and make your aesthetic goals more tangible. That's it, bro. You've got this. And stay Chadly. If you want to be a Chad, then comment the word Chad, and we'll inform you about our program. Subscribe to get successful, smart, sharp, and skilled, and to win forever.